In addition to the creation of individual assets, you can add containers called folder or space. The goal is to group multiple assets, even if of different types, within the same working space. Press Add and then Space. You can now proceed to fill in the metadata fields of the folder as you're used to doing for the assets. Even in this case, the fields can be customized according to the needs of the users. When you've filled in all the relevant fields, with particular attention to the mandatory ones identified by the red asterisks, you can choose from the General tab if the new folder must be draft and therefore private, or published and therefore visible by other users. Press Save and Continue to end the procedure. The new folder is now available in the General catalog, and it can be populated by loading assets. From the option menu of an asset, select the Move option and then select the folder where to put the asset. Press Confirm to put the asset in the selected folder. From now on, the asset will no longer be visible in the General catalog, and it will be visible in the new folder. Using the same procedure, you can move other assets. Entering in the folder, you can see all the contained assets. It is possible to add subfolders with the already seen procedure. Select Add and then Space. You can then load assets in the subfolder, and therefore a tree structure will be generated consisting of a main space within which you have the assets organized in subspaces. Click on the Options menu and select Detach all items inside to empty the folder and move the assets back to the General catalog. If necessary, select Delete the space and all items to delete the folder and automatically move back all the assets in the General catalog. If you want to move back only a specific asset of the working space, from the Option menu of the asset, select Detach from Space, and the asset will return to the General catalog.